Jai Hind students, this is history lecture, history video lecture for class 9th and chapter number 2. So in this video lecture we will learn about the policies of Hitler after coming in ruling system and taking total control in Germany. So firstly Hitler started to finished out all the communists from Germany and sent them to concentration camps. These concentration camps are a type of torture camps, and repression of the communist was severe. Out of surviving 6,808 arrested file of the Dusseldorf, a small city, Dusseldorf. From there, he had made an 6,808 file. It's mean that 500,000 of a population, and in which in this quantity 1,440 were just only communists to whom Hitler had sent to concentration camp. Almost there were a small population of communists was in Germany, but he had made first target to come all the communists from Germany. So they have, however, only one among not only one among the 52 types of victim uh, prosecuted by the Nazi across the country. So 52 type of such a community, such a victim community he had made as a graph to uh, remove them or to finish them through concentration camps. So firstly there is an example is given for communist. On 3 March 1933, a famous enabling act was passed, and in this act established dictatorship in Germany. He gives Hitler all the powers, settling parliament and ruling by the decree. So a dictatorship system, type of act he had passed for getting a dictatorship in Germany. All political parties and trade unions were banned except Nazi Party and its affiliates. The state established complete command over the economy, media, army and judiciary. So by the act of enabling act, now Hitler get the total dictatorship power in Germany and took all the control in every system of the Germany and sidelined the parliament and ruling by the decree. Now every party were banned except only a Nazi party and its affiliate. So he now took over all the commands on every system, either that was economy system, media system, army or in judicial system. So a type of absolute monarchy system was generated in history of Germany under the leadership of Hitler. So it was a system which was created in Germany, and for fulfill his system he firstly tried to finish or remove or to isolate all those groups who were not in support of Nazis or Hitler, for which he had uh, uh, established new types of groups just like SA, Storm Troops, and Gestapo, a secret state police SS, and the protection squads, criminal police, and security services SD. All these were working under the Hitler as according to his thoughts, his views.